Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has reacted to the 1 year anniversary of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu by identifying three key decisions that Bola Ahmed Tinubu took that has not gone down well with him. And of course, these are the decisions that we all are aware of if we have been following events in the country. Now, in the statement that former President Obasanjo issued, titled Nigeria's Development, Navigating the Way Out of the Current Economic Crisis, the former president, in a statement by his media aide, Kehinde Akinyemi, identified three decisions of Bola Ahmed Tinubu that has impoverished Nigerians, particularly two of them. Now, the three decisions of the administration include fuel subsidy and the exchange rate. Obasanjo said that fuel subsidy removal is a good decision, and trying to narrow the gap between the official rate and the parallel market rate of the exchange rate is a good idea. But he said that these two were being implemented wrongly. Because of the poor implementation or the wrong way of the implementation, that is why the country, people are being impoverished in the country. It has caused impoverishment in several parts of Nigeria. And talk about that the fuel subsidy was not removed the way it's supposed to be done, and the exchange rate was not being managed the way it should be managed properly. And he made reference that the exchange rate does not obey military command. Even as a military person himself, he understands that the exchange rate, you cannot command it. I think what Obasanjo was referencing to is this idea of running up and down with people, using security to be pursuing people who are alleged to be selling dollars, BDCs, and those who hawk dollars, that they are the reason why Naira is not doing well. Obasanjo said no. If the truth be told, that what the country needs is increase in production and productivity, that is the only way, that is the sustainable way to grow the economy. That's the way to stabilize the Naira. You say you cannot force it. It is not something you can do by military fiat. It is not something that you can do by giving an order, the way they are issuing out order these days. They will blame this, they will blame that, obviously. But Obasanjo said that's not the way to go. Increase productivity. And it is no different from what the presidential candidate of Labour Party used to say when he was campaigning. That his core message was to move Nigeria from consumption to production. Productivity, increase in export, which is key to any success in the foreign exchange market. Increase productivity, export more, import less. It's as simple as that. So Obasanjo is knocking Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they are thinking that they can reorder the foreign exchange market by military fiat. So it doesn't work that way. And many Nigerians can see that it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that. Then he said that he drew attention to the fact that Nigeria is losing investment. Nobody is interested in Nigeria again because the Nigerian leadership does not inspire confidence. He made reference to the fact that the Total Energy has gone to invest $6 billion in Angola oil sector. This is an investment that could have come to Nigeria. But because Total Energy saw that there is no sincerity in the leadership of the country, there is no transparency, there is no accountability, there's a kind of opacity in the running of Nigerian government. They don't trust the Nigerian government. They don't trust the Nigerian system. So Obasanjo is saying, for you to attract investors, you must build confidence. You must show that you are ready. He said you must do away with the transactional. I like the way he uses it, transactional governance. What does he mean by transactional? He means a kind of, it's corruption he's talking about. You must reduce corruption. You must ensure that there is no corruption. You must reduce corruption. There must be evidence of transparency and accountability. Because if you look at the reason why Total Energy decided not to invest in Nigeria, it is because of lack of transparency and accountability. The business environment is not conducive. And the Obasanjo also noted that under this administration, multinational companies are fleeing from Nigeria. He said when you have this kind of situation where people are fleeing, it is difficult to attract new investors because they are wondering, why are those people running away from Nigeria? Okay, why are they leaving the country? It means that there is something bad about the Nigerian business environment. So he said you need to address, the government need to address this problem, this issue. What is it that is forcing companies to leave Nigeria? Because if you don't address why companies are leaving Nigeria, you can't be able to attract investors. Because even if you can imagine an investor confront you and say, okay, you want us to come and invest in your country. Why are the multinationals leaving your country? Give us the reason. You must be able to offer explanation. And if you can't offer explanation, you can engender confidence in that investor to come and invest in your country. These are some of the issues that Obasanjo threw up in his statement. Of course, he talked about the fact that the business environment needs to be rejigged, need to inspire confidence. Right now, it is not inspiring confidence. Foreign investors are not inspired to come and put their money in Nigeria. And of course, we all know that under this administration, there are so many lies going on. So he talked about the fact that you should be able to tell the truth, that the government seems to be telling lies. And you can see that Obasanjo is right. You can see how the government the other day said that a Dutch company is coming to invest $600 million, and the company says it's a lie. We didn't promise something like that. You remember when the United Arab Emirates was said to have resumed flight to Nigeria, unban Nigeria from visa ban that was imposed on 20 African countries. And they found out it was a lie. So Obasanjo is talking about the fact that the government need to dwell on the truth, telling it the way it is, instead of relying on propaganda and lies to be able to sell itself. Because when you are deceptive, the world will know. There is a limit to what you can deceive the world with that they can't find out. So Obasanjo is talking about the fact that the government should pursue truth. This government has been full of propaganda, full of lies. So if you lie a lot as a government, how can foreign investors trust you? How can foreign investors bring their money? That is the genesis of what Obasanjo is talking about. The policy in summary, the policy of removal of fuel subsidy, exchange rate, it is good intentioned, but it is wrongly implemented. Of course, we all know that the road to hell is paved with good intention. These two policies, Obasanjo said that he has impoverished Nigerians because it was not properly done. It was not honestly done. And he has advised Bola Ahmed Tinubu and co. what they can do. They have to increase productivity if they want the exchange rate regime to reduce the gap between the parallel market and the official rate. You say you have to do it the right way. Increase productivity, increase production in the country. He said there is no other way around it. You cannot commandeer the dollar to the naira by military fiat. It doesn't work that way. And then the fuel subsidy, he said it was wrongly done. We all have been saying it in this channel, that it was wrongly done. Their defense had always been that after all, P2B said he was also going to remove the fuel subsidy. But P2B would have removed it in a better way than the way they did. And Nigerians would have seen a better result than what we have right now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.